Wait. Is there any time for your platform where person will climb, come they insult Asa? Is there any time?
How me agree? Maybe they insult some person on my platform. How you look me? These people are your manipulative people. A person, this one want talk. They say if they insult Asa from my platform, me leave if that one I talk. That one number one. Where you know say me do because of Asa. Now me if the quarrel today. If you will be my Benin sister, I the quarrel with Ivie because they insulted some people. And me if they get problem today because of Asa. But my wife not they see all those one. My wife want to turn different narrative. Me some people for the supporter. As me be nepa, nobody will feel beg me. Make me go back to that woman. I don't tell that.
No, please, no, they talk that one.
Let me go back to that woman. Nobody.
Nobody will
Yes,
beg
people
you.
carry go.
Hello, Don Prince.
May you wait.
John, wait
For
first.
anything, I dare any some person. May they breed video where they insult some people. I dare any of them. I dare any of them. And if anybody breed video where they instigate a problem, I will give that person 1 million naira.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. Me will bring your wife now. Me, I know waiting your wife. The only the call I put. Me,
you bring her. I want to know why. You go my enemy platform. Wait till I do. Wait make I go my enemy platform. I want to know why.
I bring your wife.
Bring her. If you bring her, come.
Okay, let me bring her. I beg.
You don't beg up to us. Not a man.
With due
John,
respect,
talk.
I be one. I don't know whether I fit talk to Don
John,
Prince for
talk.
2 minutes.
Talk.
Thank you, sir. Don Prince, no verse, I don't know you, bro. Sorry, no verse. You see one thing, where if you do where you in the bay at Toloma to Lake Bay or Bolo, you understand,
yes.
my brother. If your wife don't born for you, which I believe, I don't know, no verse.
They don't born.
My brother, what I go tell you, what I go beg you, I be foolish a man. On behalf of your wife, I feel put up a video now. I don't know your wife, I don't know you. I go need down beg you because of your children, not because of your wife. You see me now, Yoruba marry my brother. Nobody when go say for Europe, go just say, yo, na sugar they take building home. Nobody. But when women and some women go on social media, we will talk what we feel do, talk what we will not feel do. You dey hear me, my brother? Brother, I beg. Woman, now if our mother, our mama, now wait our papa pass through. Once pikin don't enter finish, my brother, not look woman again. Look your children. But not be say, maybe, if what go make me go say, no, I not go talk put. If I hear say your wife go misbehave for outside, my brother, now me go even join you, say, my brother, they run, they go. But if na normal talk, my brother, forget what people want talk. Who don't die? They still they talk about them. You understand? Who don't die? They still they talk about them, my brother. You hear Don Prince, I beg, no verse. You hear anything when he do you.
Your turn when he bring
just look at your children. You dey hear me, my brother, I beg. Because of your children. Not be because of I don't know your wife. I not care to know what happen between una. You understand, my brother? I beg. I don't care to know what happen because of your children, my brother. If you love your children, you don't come down.
No worry. He won't call me. All of them will talk.
Okay,
me, I call the wife.
First. Don Prince pa ne hia tell me Don Prince. Otion e guana otion e.
Okay, go on.
Don Prince, I know say you there FYP. You know what me, so you there for comment section. My brother, may I tell you one thing, not because of anybody leave your wife or because of tribalism leave your wife. You know what me, so because one thing about life and all this social media life, my brother, and social media you come to see live on there. But there's nothing like family. There's nothing like your children, my brother. You the guy to
belong, my brother. May your days belong.
Social media.
May your days belong.
You talking for social media.
Say
you
say
come up
this one.
forget
about your children. Forget your children. Forget your wife.
That one a childless. Let me call him, my brother. Don't please,
My brother, no, you be man.
Not by
show your wife. Put your wife down. You understand, my brother?
Maybe anybody else come from. Maybe anybody come from this one. Don't leave your family because of anybody.
No level. I tell you truth, my brother.
Social media
family
first.
Your wife, your children are your children. Brother, don't please. No picking when you want born today. No picking when you want born when you go see that one. I beg.
Make the woman. Make woman still talk. Me not 1 minute. Costa, man.
Because sometimes if you like a platform or don't please, it don't please might hear but need Sunday stop pay.
Wow.
Not here bon. A man rob that the la wo anyway run I met it settle here. A man run no ginger walking don't please. Be understand? O might hear bonnie Sunday. Even on me doctor na ya be mu egene matter ni wa be ya anyoge iwie san we iwie do e don prison na we ni ya tie bone iwie san then iwie san be tie bone e do most of the time or settle in I mean na we mese metana e ma ro toto e ma wa ro no jija obo ken don priest because when Facebook here be nyon severe ni don priest ga we live video obo kan me la dia one day not aware don't please if you beg if son. My dear sister, I want to give you advice. Outside, not in the outside. If na person they ginger you, may you leave don't please because you are very responsible woman. Even on Facebook, even hot reach that time, you never come out one day. You understand why it can't be saying now. If anybody they back where they advise you for back, may you leave on. Say they insult some people. Don't please not allow anybody to insult some people for a platform. Outside, not in the outside. Yes, I don't run or ginger. The truth is when I insult the platform.
What about when I what about when I tell many kiddo? Okay, okay, to be a pan of Yango, no so no so moi. And what when I tell
my brother JJC, when you know Sununa, my your turn at the truth what happen for this matter. You know, for me to my your turn at the full truth. You see this social media space so this one. You know, see if you try to talk truth, if you go some of our Bini people platform, even our Bini people they able the saga don't pre-save because of say maybe talk something. Inside your house.
God bless you. Even most of them they say don't please they join some people.
Wait, sister, wait, I come and tell you the matter. You know one thing about social media, wait to make me know too much you carry this social media matter this serious now you'll be this matter. So you see here where or enemy where my ethic boy. Oh yeah, we family where ya get where. And you can't say we don't preach now. But the only thing that we have to advise don't preach, my brother, this social media of a things, don't let them separate you and your family. It will be a disgrace, it will be a slap to your face.
1 minute.
Okay. 1 minute. It will be a slap to your face. Don't let any
1 minute.
I
see different comment or comment section. Many people they put fire for this
take.
My brother, don't forget them. My brother, who they comment section when they talk, just leave them. May we talk for here. You understand? Don't know when they comment section. You're the right for that. That will not be meeting. You understand? Make it focus on family. You understand? May forget about any other person.
Fellow Bini go carry the picture, the saga don't preach. You know, say if you do something, maybe saying and why they fight for his ass. The priest not supposed to know.
Yes, now.
They don't do something and why they fight for his ass. Because one thing about life, your own fellow believers go carry you, they stagger you because you are in care quarter. For that reason, my brother, I ain't weapon because now you not make there's one kata don't be asked. Don't bring to your use sense, follow them, make this why they carry what so because one thing I get
water it oppress udam eni mayata na do oppress mo kan we lawa mu mo lawa understand ye mo lawa my brother tribalism one of it is one no gbafo understand
everybody Aso yen le gbo sa o sa ba we nu awon we o sa ba we.
Yo wa to go ti me baba na mo ni change ni so do be fly. We me ya.
Ma phone. Yeah. E ni your boy no mo so gba. If you do abeg.
Oye go e go
Ire so. Ire no na again.
Epa, may you mute your side. Epa, mute your side.
I want to beg congratulations, man. Congratulations, man. You know how. I beg. Me I no verse. Now my sister called me. Congratulations to social media president because it gets something where they say they no go fit do. They quarrel with person. They do. They can't tell me. I can't use my influence. You know, reach some minutes. They can't approve them for the person. Now I can come and say, "Pa, I don't do wonder." Something where they say they no go fit do. Blah 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 blah. But when I reach the office, when they see my face, they say consider it done. You understand? I beg. This kind of thing, me will not insult Don Prince again. Don Prince be like our family, our brother, and the matter we bring come. You know, say I be in papa. You know, say I'll pick talk put. Now me can bring this matter. You know, say I know they do saga again. To insult person, I beg. For you to insult Don Prince, insult me. You hear? For not to insult myself, me not insult me. I not quarrel. Because papa is always a papa. I beg all of you, we dey here. We be brothers and sisters. If you get problem, you bring out to me. If I still get problem, I'll give you. We solve them together. The life is going on. Una here, so thank you all. I want to call the wife of Don Prince. I go bring and come. Anything with their mind, all of us will beg am. We'll beg Don Prince, make the relationship still join. Because I know if you talk say now, because it go on my platform, I'll say, Don Prince, just leave and I lie. Nobody be my enemy. Nobody for this world will be my enemy. Everybody be my friend. Whether you like me or you don't like me, you be my friend. As far as God don't do them together, say, we don't first talk. We don't first talk one on one. So I don't get enemy. When I hear, God bless you. So may I bring Don Prince, wife, no, Hassan.
What's a black? What's a black? Don Prince say no want the woman again. Now you want the woman again. Maybe so I don't know how to talk. If you say no want them again, you know beg her.
My brother
John, all those people, I don't know what they find.
Two people go dey quarrel, they not go fit settle.
Say no want the woman again. Then they see us when man and woman not go quarrel.
May go carry
most of these people they are those poor. You understand? People when they
are the thing. Now because they are God bless you, my brother. Now just the thing. People when they are see this one now when this stupid thing one move for you now they say drop all the you come up. Now come up, talk for you now. There might be the right rubbish.
Now me social media president.
Right rubbish.
Social media president.
I beg my brother. Look on made they see bed the woman. And Facebook outreach that time. This woman not come at one day. Now people they under this thing.
Madam. Now people the truth. Now make an if a perfect carry come as we they talk to the man, we go they talk to the woman normally. Because normally.
Because Don Prince not
to me,
Don Prince not the they insult some people. You know they
don't want for insult they don't get sense. Both the Isha, both the they insult themselves.
It be like say and the wife don't get the problem. The video where Don Prince do yesterday. Now Don Prince can't talk say
no.
No woman go fit tell her I want no woman go fit control her. Say if Billy do something, if Billy do what he did wrong, he go beat them. If Esna do what he did wrong, he go beat them. Tell them the truth. Now waiting to talk, you never get one
everybody with them one beg you. Nobody want talk, ask you anything. Now beg you. They are still
Woman
begging,
just
please. I
nothing
beg.
dey outside there. Nothing dey outside.
We are one.
No, why don't beg? I don't want me this matter. I don't want me this matter go out again. Because if I hear and say my son, if they talk about this matter, that means it don't offend me. If we don't beg you for here today, I beg. I beg. Social admin now come. Social media president. I don't know your name. Nobody will record you. Nobody will record you.
No, I beg. Make anybody not record. I beg. That's it when they still they do no good. I beg.
And they go cut her. She say if she talk for media, now go record her. So she don't need to talk for media.
If you don't like to talk to me, I may just talk to them. I just talk to them.
Me bro. But it's why what happened? Omo last speaker. That's where mo last speaker.
Hello.
Make this
When
matter.
they pass settle
Make this
when
matter
they
just
pass
here.
settle
I want me to
If I don't try settle on your
Don't
own,
be saying that social media will
I
talk
beg you,
about.
may settle on your own. Forget it. Now, woman, I don't like this woman. God go bless this woman. I never know this woman before, bros. I beg no verse, Prince. Prince, I beg no verse. I beg. If you see one thing about life, this woman I don't know her before. God go bless her. You know why God go bless her? Now, woman when no one watch their dirty go outside.
Yes.
If now some women now before they talk, I don't jump out. Now so my husband take kick me. Now so my husband take head me. Now
No, she not be like that.
He say no one play they come outside. You understand?
Like that.
So I beg, I beg, try, I beg. Because this kind of woman I dey look for. When we say no, they go outside. Now what you see
We
like?
will settle this matter out of social media. My son don't dey online. So I beg. Hello, everybody mute. Wait, my son don't dey online now. I not put them for here for TikTok. Me, I want beg my son. He dey hear now. My son, I beg. Anything where this woman beg, I lead down for the rest of my life. With my mama with dey grave, they beg you, forgive her. Darling, I beg. Anything where my brother still do, anything where he do, I beg, forgive her. Hey, Nutie! Hey, Nutie. Baby.
Hello, Epa.
You know what my brother talk now. He say, wetin you do, na make quarrel. You understand? We be one talk for outside.
I say me you ask her wetin I do where take go my enemy
Don't
platform.
please, no worry, settle that issue with
Don't
your
please,
brother.
don't please, I will attend now. Don't want to talk. Okay.
Don't please, you get any
Okay,
enemy.
you say
You get
wetin
any enemy. Don't let her
Wetin
talk
do
for
I
social
go do
media.
that kind thing?
Settle with your wife, my guy. Settle with your wife. Don't let her talk for social media.
I don't want to make your wife. As your wife, I don't say no. I to go like her.
Wetin don't please do when you go on a platform.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I hope I'm not on live.
No, you are not on live. You are not on live.
The thing is that 3 days ago, I never knew when he said he wants to come and talk about this and secret.
Okay.
We dey hear wetin they talk. Go mute your phone.
That one, Mutan.
Don't please. Don't please. Don't please. Jaguar allow. No, nah, don't please. Don't please, don't please, don't please, don't please. Wait, we are screenshot again. We are screenshot again.
Now see problem. Now see identity to shop and go give him wife. Now what that bros talk just now? Now what did that bros talk just? That bros talk just now say now people they under. Now him be the truth.
Okay.
Epa, when we no Sununa, that was about 4 days ago. You might understand. Mais il beg donc plus et platform ravi bien do. Mais on a mouvement na we ma Anigwina ne peace. If you don't gbine, ya gbin. Na said this also reason many people are in the to gbina.
Don't please.
Don't please, your man loin when they matter now. Or can I now I know why you use so please don't want use the sense. Now your wife they use sense, so you know why you just those they talk, those why can they talk so. You know why use your sense, don't please. Your woman they use the sense. You know why use your sense. People they manipulate you. If your woman talk and your brother your own don't finish on social media. If your woman come up on social media and talk. My guy, you don't think one want to talk again. Your woman they try to pin you down. You they see the men. My guy, go settle with your wife. Go settle with your wife before your enemy go post your wife at social media. You know why use your brain? You want use that?
So loyal.
And I do the don't finish on social media.
Prince, let you wait till the now.
Nobody anymore.
Nine brother.
Now, just talk.
Don't please, don't maybe not they talk too much against the priest.
Okay.
Now your wife,
Talk.
Carry your wife, you settle with your wife. I want to settle your wife. I don't tire for you. You know the be like man.
Hello.
I don't say talk.
Hello.
Don't please settle with your wife or settle with your wife.
I don't tire you. The best for no reason. The best for no reason. I'm not supportive for this one. Your woman don't want to come out of platform. Say they cut this thing go deeper. You don't know your enemy. You get enemy for social media.
God bless that woman. Now enemy.
You get enemy for social media. They cover your.
Now when you just first talk when you newly come. When you just newly come. Now what you first talk? His wife never talk that time. His wife never even talk.
Please not here. Please be. I beg. Quiet. Make that settle the matter.
No, my sister and my brother, you know, based on my brother, they understand themselves. You understand? Now only your brother go fit tell you truth.
Me with
only your brother go fit
tell you. Now the same street we dey for third.
No, take easy. Make you take easy.
Sorry. You know why they beg you now? You know why they beg you? Wait. You know why they beg you? If I wrong my wife, even though she wrong me, na me wrong gamo, I must beg her, make her mind calm down. I beg. You hear? Everybody don't hear you now. Everybody wait day here now. They say they want to tell you, say may you forgive. I beg. They beg. They say me just forgive. I beg. You hear me now? I beg, darling. I beg. I beg you in the name of God. Even though you just they shout, do everything. You as a woman, one must come down from one for one. If not, love not day. If not, marriage not day. That is one thing about this life. If they shout, you will come down. You understand? I beg. You hear? You hear? You don't forgive. You don't forgive her. No worry. Just leave your own matter for me. No, just leave her. Make you no worry. Now my son, no just worry. No worry. No. Sir, everybody want beg you. Me don't do it. I don't want to hear your voice for social media again. If I hear that means you offend me. Sir, everybody, I beg. Me not just tell us to make you no verse again. Everybody will there here.
So not verse our wife, not verse to
I beg you now.
Our wife, not verse. We love you.
Maybe this is now they offend
me. They beg you, I beg. Madam, I beg. You know what I mean? You not come to social media. I didn't never come once before. Just you know say yes, the correct person. I beg,
No, say they're not even.
I beg.
You imagine, wait till your husband talk. They
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, God bless you.
For you. Thank you.
God will bless you, yeah.
Me I call your guy. La white your bonnet don't please so. La I'm don't please la do. No sooner na hina. Me I talk and be me I just forget.
If I not talk the secrets, yeah, just talk say you don't settle them.
Don't preach
If I don't forget them.
Before they will come see change your word. If I don't change your me I change your
Lawo baba because why don't preach because he get one man. If I mudiani megwan. O me one man Mr. President.
We say la diania.
Mudia, on me one man at Mr. President, manare a platform get do prisi. A man in a tia bonnet o wanokwa. Do prisi na mo. On our way man, she's on this way. You give you a first chance, you give you a second chance. Umaye change the urgency. Now go your way. This Mr. President now that here block that on block that day. Everybody now judge so that man when I block a man, as they not block that man for that reason, everybody is now against Don Priest. That very day, Don Priest viewers was almost about 2K. 2K people was viewing Don Priest. After Don Priest just block Mr. President, all the old followers now go down. My way Don Priest now do carry money. Okay, 25 people give worship and give block that Mr. President in there because Mr. President on my France kakabo on my France because why il y avait mon fille quelques gars pas on pas il y a one way emina because that is it. The priest is not their enemy in social media. They will find anything by all means to bring the priest down because those guys are I don't know what we call them. Those guys they are teams. They work as a team. One they have a platform. If you not sunuvedo, if you not sunuvedo, and you have on the platform, they don't have any job doing, they don't have anything doing, they don't have anything that they will use to support the society. They want you to destroy the guy because where? If you not saying on that blockade, Mr. President, in the platform already, and all Mr. President fans. Il y en a un transport, il y a un try de défendre Mr. President. Et puis en plus, il m'a coué, on a standstill, on a tiré bon money. Since that, the priest not get piece of social media again. The priest don't get a problem for the come. And those people are friends to some Ishan, not day against some Iviedo. And that man is saying, a fast that man is see fast to people that I see enemy to Igbo. That might see past to enemy that is Ijo. That might see they are circle of social media.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prince Bill. Thank you. John, say something. John, say something. John, say something.
You know, waiting I see for this, God will bless you. Waiting I see, my daddy. This life on with day. You hear what you
hear now? Well. Why?
You hear me now? You hear me now?
I hear you.
I say you say hear what in this bros talk just now. You see that is why this social media of 18. If not be you and the when I look but I not get that kind of time come today because social media before now we had to catch cruise. Know ourselves. Maybe another that is you know if I don't know me or this guy when they talk to bros after now maybe so you know we didn't know ourselves. As we know ourselves, the relationship go they grow, it go they strong. You feel get what you they do tomorrow now. You come and say, bros, where you dey? I go tell you, see the city when I dey for Germany. Then you say, okay, I dey invite you. I go still come there. No, now what I believe say social media and they do, but we some of the idiot ones so not be all low when they be near an issue. We go they use and they insult ourselves. They do saga. They talk. Who don't even know when they born you. You go they talk the date when they born you. Talk this. No. So my brothers and sisters, God go bless all of you now. If I beg everything out there your hand, may you try make everything there okay, sir. Now wait till I get to talk, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. May I bring Don Prince come up? Don Prince now be one thing come up.
Ich werde Tano heiraten. Ich stehe gerade vor dem Gericht.
Don Prince.
Werden wir heiraten.
Don Prince don't dey up. So according to this matter, Don Prince, they say they always they tell they say Bini and Esan are the same. And person be one call insult Mr. President. Now Don Prince fight say no be that matter then day. Since that day, people for social media they're not doing good terms with Don Prince.
Yeah,
if not true.
If I might tell you the matter where that guy they talk, that Mr. President, now that guy wey call Tony Kabaka, Tony Kabaka for Nigeria. That guy wey you see say we call Tony Kabaka for Nigeria. Wey come dey talk and wey the video come go viral. You know, hear one video wey go viral wey person call Tony Kabaka, wey Tony Kabaka wey call dey ask Tony Kabaka a question.
Yes, I see that video.
That John matter.
I see that video. Yeah.
That guy. Now that guy so that guy and monkey face they be people will be say they terrorize the social media as in they brainwash people, they sell false narrative. And me now they try to close all those false narrative because this is those cyber space that false narrative now the train pass. When me and my woman first gets more argument that they say my woman they slap me, all they lie they go because that lie. Now they train pass. Some people don't see why me they verse for my woman. My woman now they say one narrative.
Islam, I beg. This one on my platform. I don't want to hear that something where you write. I don't want to see him. I beg. Me I not be saga man. The time we are be saga person, it don't take. This one now truth with the want here. If you don't believe in truth, everybody get social media. You are not get to talk. Go talk out for your own. I beg, don't please come here. I don't want me anybody sort out here.
So,
don't please take your platform. Me get my own platform. I beg.
Listen.
I beg.
My duty is to
social media president.
If I wait, tell me the problem with the mute first. My duty is to protect my home.
Yes.
My duty is to protect my wife and my children.
Yes.
But if leakage don't they come I me myself not they save. And so can't teach when my woman they talk for his house, what they do now. It can't be like say wait till they talk for his house. In one they can't the rich. Say if anything happen, you go settle with all my enemy. So as me see that video yesterday, I say, wait, this one they talk for his house, he want read one. Because this period now, they give me so problem. Okay, but I tell everybody say, now this is some matter. Now I make this my woman go Francomoso platform. Thank God so women are you they talk because the same some matter I still tell you. Mona mute. Now the same some matter I still tell you. I tell you say me and I not get problem. Now just this is some matter. And
yes.
And they manipulator and they try to tell us say me too big to call the something.
Not showing you like your face.
If I remove that guy now, make them mute.
Serious face.
If I not get motivator, so now for my platform, my woman don't deal with me for many years while they do video. He know what I fit do. He know I don't know the way people call they manipulate our brain now. He know that I don't try to. I can never insult some people. If one made mistake, I insult that one. He know me say insult some people. But Frank Victor can't tell and say if I insult one extra person, I insult all. It's even when they talk to him of God just now, he still talking. He say when Frank Victor come they talk, say when imagine my husband will be insulting some people and he doesn't know when he insult one extra person. He has insulted his wife.
Thank you very much.
Insulted his children. All those kind of things. Because of CBS, I don't know. And many of you son of the 12 were there. I never see any some person will come greet this my wife or us for almost 4 years. Will take this so I don't see why it's a person. Why you want to turn me to bad person? Why you want to say that you love it some people pass? You want to use me to bad?
Thank you, my brother.
So maybe some people they talk say they will try to do you.
Don Prince,
yeah,
she did online and she did here. Me, I tell you one thing. You see what that woman talk just now. He say she no go fit bring in husband matter on social media. Lie.
Amati day.
No, Don Prince. If not be mad, I tell her just now. If another person, they go clear. I don't want to talk name. If not other person, Don Prince, they go clear.
For you to go to give that person, never carry that social media. That not be for Leanne. That one na for Leanne. For my wife to go to give my enemy is a for Leanne.
Don Prince, wait, now those they talk. Maybe I change this thing, now those they talk. See.
Who want to talk now?
Rita.
Rita, may you still talk, Rita.
Baba Ide.
Rita.
Let me go to prison. My Don Prince might tell you one thing.
Rita talk.
Epa, don't fair talk. Since I say I beg, may you settle one for them because now people now they ginger that woman for back. Don't please never insulted some people once. You never insult them.
Thank you. Prince. Please talk.
Hello, Padomo.
Go on.
Domo sir, you know where Don Prince may I just use this medium to talk to you, my brother. You know what I mean, so. You know one thing for this life, your woman, anything they tell you for inside, not take her serious because why? Only one parable now want tell you today.
God will bless you.
Your woman, you live in family. Now you can be brother, now you can be if papa, now you can be everything me when I get for Europe for yeah.
All men supposed to know that one.
You know
all men.
So, because one thing now God will tell you, my brother, anything when you and your woman discuss for inside, you know if you carry and go outside, but you go feel am for man. You dey get me so? Because he always don't want to threaten you as a man. May see your stand. You know what I mean? So all women they do am. No woman is perfect. You don't get me so. Say what your woman cause your woman don't already tell a pious life. Now woman made the talkie you go enter platform.
Yeah, the woman a better woman. Now some people they don't come and
say enter platform. Your woman they pretend for you all the time for a size. You dey feel say your woman a bad person. Your woman not be bad person, my brother. Your woman love you so much. Because the kind thing when you and your woman they chest all this way, nobody know. We all of us may they we don't know. Now let you and your woman know your secrets. You dey get so only one thing I use to advise you. Say you call a first talk for your woman mouth, not first time for your woman mouth. If you reach inside, settle with your wife because where everything one that they pass through all this way. Now God that they see the settle one. You dey get me so? Let me say your woman already talk now. You know what bring your issue. You know what disrespect you bring your head, bring your body come down. May everybody come they mash you.
My brother, we not down one boss. More na see quarrel with her. Wait take go give to enemy. Wait take go give to enemy. You know
my brother.
That one not good.
As a party. Beg you, sis. If I beg you as a son, sis, my son, rest. Forget this issue. Rest about this issue. You not take her, just take her as this thing. Your people make your followers to see as you respect person.
But they give them 2 minutes. If you don't leave this guy now, you know tomorrow.
Social media president.
Thank you.
Please. Hello.
Okay, please, thank you.
Your wife,
thank you.
Guy, you talk. Please be.
Another
because I love you so much as a brother.
Please be. Please, please waiting. Your mouth not get limit.
Please be. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. No,
please let your mouth get limit.
No, you always they talk the truth. You always they say the truth.
But
now,
you must not get limit. Not get control.
Call me now. Your time now, your time. Call me.
Pardon, first of all, I not follow the case. I don't know wetin happen, so I not go fit contribute like that. But the only thing when I want to say 850 day platform, I me with power tap for so I not follow the case. I not go fit contribute like that.
I bet me na power tap. Now we give me lion now. When I say give me lion, why you no time?
Social media president.
Give me lion there. Yeah, continue. Power tap. Everybody power tap. Don't please power tap. Give me lion. Don't please give me lion.
At the beginning, I felt to say make the priest promote this matter for social media because a wife, he say wife go the enemy platform. I don't know whether he get me or not. You understand? So like I say, so marriage matter, any marriage matter that to media before they go that finish, they take time. So now sense they take marriage matter. Not be social media, not a marriage issue. You understand? Don't please me ever see. I don't want to please sometimes. And
thank you.
My
sweet baby.
And the first time when they say
thank you very much.
But may see hold on now. And if I say one day don't please open mouth, they insult. And if I say one day you open mouth, they insult innocent people.
This is not the power tap.
The power tap not there.
I don't give you heroes.
Power tap.
Give me again.
University of Prince. University of Prince say one day say you put him in something like people. What thing bring this issue? Now when he take give people a chance, when you take self-respect people,
family, thank you.
People a chance. When they give people a chance, when you take self-respect people and they wife. You understand? Now they wife for God to this attention for praise. When you don't please they give people like opportunity when they self-respect for
thank you.
No man or woman
please,
go
thank you.
Say because say oh maybe assume that influencer be the other person go platform when they insult this or try.
Thank you.
Now get the please for wrong when they give a chance when she call insult
thank you. Raphael, okay, it's okay. Adu family, if you have something to say, Adu family.
Hello, pardon mo lato.
Aye.
Domo sir.
Aye.
Imawa mo boy mo suni wata lawo. E don prison. Mama wa.
Okay.
O kan na very quiet ma o go na plan. But imagine no my dem no so say man I think for.
Okay, thank you very much. No sir. No sir K.
No sir, may put another person.
No sir K. Oh yeah, talk.
Talk. Everybody.
Yes.
Don Prince. Waiting I want to tell you, I will just God beg you. Say you be media person. If words not come out of mouth, person no feel hold on. Use wisdom to handle this issue with your wife. That is all I can say. I beg you.
Thank you very much. Oh, you see wisdom person? You see wisdom? You see what he just talk? Don't please. You be man. Don't please. If they always say, no, they hear me. No, they hear me. You are not hearing me. All of them know for this social media.
Social media president. Don't please see the error. He get back one day, I think a few days ago. He get few days ago. The people go enter platform go describe woman kwekus. Go ask woman there kwekus be, how the clitoris be. Guy, man will get wife for her children. How your wife go hear those things? She will there be with you. You tell them that woman
will punish your father.
Kwekus be.
No way they talk that one. God will punish your father. And you want to tell me I want to do my program? And who be adult there? And you want to tell me I do my program? Who they punish your father? And you want to tell me I do my program? God will punish.
Social media president.
Make God punish your pa.
Don't please.
God, this boy they talk. Any make they talk for a live stream. It not concern you. It not concern you. So now live stream they do. People don't make the scrap woman toto. We may complain. Now you go come complain for you. What it concern you? What it concern you?
Don't Raphael.
Now you go tell them, please. I want to talk for a live stream.
Don't Raphael. You don't hear now say woman. They say they not complain. If woman can't talk that kind of thing, so what do you mean? One can't talk? My God, now talk this one so.
Hello, Ipadomo. That boy make he talk just now. Oriawa, guy need Oriawa, guy need. Don Priest. A social media presenter head on TV. Many people don't follow up.
Not true.
Man, stand the manner. Because why normally a social media presenter now so funny talk. People must follow up. They tap double tap or what did that talk? I not concern family. I not concern this one. I family one. You need to see the way you Person not the wife in this life. We are imperfect. We be human beings. Not we need to encourage our brother. Say my brother, when you see know the way you can.
Thank you, Prince Bill. Thank you. But talk your own. Let the Lord wait first. Let the Lord wait. This man never talked since. But I be very something. I don't know. But 93 in your mood for there. But you.
The priest wife, she need to apologize to the priest.
Oh, big time.
She need to apologize.
Lady Love, talk. Lady Love, talk. Afternoon.
Now, don't please ever want to talk to. You see, me na Isha woman. Your priest wife, you did wrong. I know people they push you. I know people they push you. If you scatter your house, they not come be your husband.
God bless you.
No matter what your husband do you, they gossip some people. Yes, it's not good. But now I let you know one thing. If you scatter your house, Isha people no come stay with you. Me will be Isha. Don't let anybody they spoil your husband for you. If your husband do you anything, look, Mona dates and Mona do bad things. Mona settle. No ass way good. You see all those people where they social media, all those presenters, all of them good are not the bad people. Some they where they not want to see husband and wife. They're not there. They'll say that they fight for you because you be Isha, you marry me marry another language. And not because of another my language come from husband. No. I'm not. I think God beg you, my sister. Those people where they tell you say because your husband they insult Asian people at that amount, control your husband. My dear, he get the way you go take do one. Your husband go beg you. He not go talk that word again. Not listen to them all. Now home destroyer. If you ask for tomorrow, they'll come laugh you. Mark today.
Lady Love, where you come from, Asian? Where you come from, Asian?
I be Ekpoma lady.
Ekpoma, okay.
They'll come laugh you.
But yeah, yeah.
Ofuresa, they'll come laugh you.
That's good.
Forget anybody. Arrange your home. Arrange your home. You want to be second single mother? Your husband not good, yes. Any husband everybody that married, the husband not good, yes. Their wife not good, yes. Social media president when you go with the talk to so. He tell you say with your wife not the quarrel. Me what they talk to me and my husband not the quarrel. How many
no miss perfect. Only we are violent all day. You know they beat you.
Listen to me. Those number when they call Isha people, when they send message or you block them. Block them. If you don't block them, before you know you don't go far. You don't go, call them say I die.
Inamu is speaker no. A speaker mo yi.
You call they say I die no, you go to buy.
I mean me and me go speaker. Ni mo speaker there. Okay.
You call they say I die no, you call they regret. I did the way this thing start for your husband platform. Now I want beg you. My sister, I use God beg you. I use the same land where me and you come from. They beg you. I beg you. No matter what your husband do, he not good. I beg forgive her. You beg her too because you wrong.
This one say now the prince be a third baby mama. What you can't concern you?
Yeah, they can't follow you. I beg my sister.
Now waiting that they try to talk just now. Outside they not good though.
I beg.
Now rugged men, outside.
Outside. I beg my lovely sister.
And as far as say don't preach, not they beat you. If he dey violent, now let that one. He are not they support that one.
As far as say not they beat you. He get where the woman will take talk to her. The man go stop, but he not stop once. Because if he stop, I go say woman want control her. Now some men be for this Europe. I beg you, my sister, block those number. Block them. Settle your house. Carry your husband enter. Anything you want to do am. Now your house, nobody go here.
Now people they instigate the woman. As Facebook hot reach that.
Energy. Don't preach the work. Go ask the wife. Don't preach is working. As we dey talk now, don't preach leave out. Go carry house for outside. Go dey work. You don't see about social media. Not every time they call social media. After it don't work finish. Now they enter social media. Sometimes in the night, sometimes daytime. Now don't preach the work. It don't start work 4 weeks ago. It's over a month now. So now they talk say don't preach now lazy person. All those words. Energy. Europe. Europe. Now your turn now. Please. Europe. Please make you wait. Okay. Europe. Now your turn. Europa, you know they there. Why person will come out, he go there, listen, you know what talk. May I bring you come down there? Europa, why bring you come down?
A blogger no, a blogger no.
Okay. No sir.
A blogger no,
no sir, may you talk. No sir, may you talk.
Drop it, go.
So to talk again, I say family matter and small that they carry and put for her, nothing much. Prince, please repair your house. I beg you. I know you as a wisdom man. Use your wisdom to settle your house. No home is perfect. I beg you. That is all I can say. And if you say now your wife wrong or now you wrong, go and settle your house. I beg you.
Energy, don't climb up now. Please don't they walk. It don't start work. Energy, please don't start work. If you never know me, you know now. I beg, this matter of Don Prince.
Okay, sir. I greet you, sir.
Thank you very much, Energy.
Okay, let me just say something for 1 minute. Sir, as Don Prince dey so now, even though he carry wife go bedroom, bathroom, carry go shit, without Don Prince working, his wife can never respect him. Men I tell this guy the truth. Sir, you say, okay, sir, men I tell her the truth. Even me why I dey here, so I get wife. I just dey come for work now, never reach house. No be to wake up in the morning, come tie hair, start for scream, they form say they do 1 or 2. See, as a man, when no get anything where they do, if you like, you carry your wife go toilet, bath am, or carry her go toilet, or make go shit, or carry am, they cook for them. Without you no get work, you know they contribute anything for the house. Your wife can never respect you. So men I tell this guy the truth. The truth is bitter, but we have to say it the way it be.
But he will tell you say they all.
Men I tell this man may go look for work. Men I know they deceive this man again. Simple.
No, they work. It don't start work.
It's start work. Who's there after many years for his house? Now
no. Wait.
But the boy where they talk, so is it Richard than me? Is it Richard than me? Who be the idiot where they talk so? Oh, go back. Are you Richard than me?
Good evening. They close.
Good evening. Epa, wetin me see I don't dey watch this Don Prince. Me, I be from Isha and from Bini. You understand? Isha man I still born for. I don't dey watch this bros Don Prince. He never insult Isha. Like me, they join. He join Isha people.
People come and talk so now.
So he never, they insult.
Now my wife they said the narrative part. Now my wife they said that narrative just to blackmail me. Now my wife they said the narrative to blackmail me.
For us.
Now my wife they said the narrative to blackmail me.
Thank God said the Don Prince. Now I don't see they walk. Now make that woman say get some more respect for Don Prince, because at least Don Prince now, how you go, you and the you know, say you and your husband, you and the man, not they play. You and your husband, this man, not they play. Then you go meaning you not get
any money when me they work, not be me and I want chop. I
just say yeah for that thing, but the truth don't make them not
my sister Sandra, I said preach that time, but this woman not come as I can't be saying that now. Because the people not there. The people they under.
Now people they under. I'm not sorry to say
your wife why people know Jenna? Your wife don't send narrative.
People push you go outside though. You understand? Because if you don't go for the first person,
people for
the second person,
they defend me. My wife defend me. Defend me.
Sandra, thank you. Big man. Big man 5 talk. Big man 5. Big man.
You know why, Baba?
Big man 500. And talk.
No one, don't must.
What?
That's Baba. No, please.
Thank you for the flower. Thank you for the flower. Thank you for the flower. I love you.
Don't please.
Thank you, Richard. Richard, thank you. Oh yeah, talk now. Big man 500 talk.
I see the video where they train now. Where I even for the first time I just say maybe now. Maybe not play. Who be this person? Sandra. Oh yeah, drop. So where don't please come out?
Sandra Moot.
Wait, come out. Wait, come out this morning. Do you? Now I tell you. So the matter, it is serious. And may we no bias any platform or anywhere, either you are a married woman, you are a single mother, a married man, or single father. May we not do bias for this case. Anywhere we want to talk about the Don Prince issue. Number one, Don Prince's wife have to apologize. For Don Prince's wife to go who their
no second, thank you very much.
To each other.
Thank you.
You go there, no matter even though say you and Don Prince get quarrel or you and Don Prince.
If man, thank you.
You know, it took quick queue to even go from commercial platform.
No second, thank you very much.
It took quick queue. No matter even though say maybe get within Don Prince do whatever. There is some time where we say una can settle it. But for you to go, because not be everybody, not be all men. Nine woman go drag come out for media, we go accept her. Some men they go see accept. They go settle, they will continue their
oxygen.
Some men they
Queen, thank you.
Over their dead body, they can never forgive. Some men they. So,
if man, thank you.
Anyhow, no settle the issue. I beg you, Don Prince. Pardon me, I read my case.
2 minutes now.
Thank you very much. Call me, talk.
Pardon me, I felt talk just now. Say I not follow the case, but any me have type where we have say Don Prince or what you guni roma, you guni jema. We not take it easy now. Ne you got you gunberi yo. Me like a bonamu baba TV.
I hate alone. You want to be ogo ni amugbele won.
Don Prince me no so wa wege ni. I know you want to me.
But whatever say me mo you won.
Because if
you can see people constant, they want they lie against me. Even person will never reach me for the enjoy my life or where for the sorry because they want to talk to me in here.
Men na me wa so wo wa wege ni no yen no sa about me.
Na me ni
power ta for a power no mi go ya the cafe wa the cafe ne pop be no keta la sun
la wa the cafe me kala in what wait all of na talk now say the wife of my son for her to go to that platform go to write anything she must apologize. No be so na talk. Yes. Thank you all. I know they call her now. If she carry, she go up. Okay, talk your own final.
Now me first lady want talk. So Idahosa. Don Prince's wife, go apologize to your husbands. This media on the thing, just go they judge my husband matter or go they gift them. For social media, you are wrong. Go. If anybody they clap for you, they just they clap for you. Say me your ass poor. They not even me for you. Say me your ass good. So go and beg your husband. Go and beg your husband. Anything where husband do person, your friend let your husband come out for social media. If you reach his side, you can't deal with him. Don't be social media, you can't talk on. Maybe for 6 months they do social media. Now you they give them work. Now you they can't put word for their mouth. Maybe I tell they do their social media and the thing. So you fuck up. Go beg your husband. Go beg your husbands. Don't let anybody come and hack you. Who hack you want to destroy your home. So go and beg your husband. Whether they pick your children, they come at you, they see for social media every time.
Hello, my daughter.
Now let your husband they fight.
Hello, my daughter.
Now let your husband they fight.
You hear what my wife they talk?
So go and beg your husband.
You watch the program for that side. You they watch her? Okay. You they watch her? Okay, I beg. Me, I tell you now. Your God day line, I beg. You call her, tell her say make she sorry. You tell her say make she sorry, beg. Just call her, tell her say make she sorry.
Now take off
five children. Tell her say make she sorry.
Now for take
because
off
you know why?
A son of 21 years old.
He do anything.
You understand?
Oria Tama sorry. When no mama is speak out time and because he block
Okay. You go talk her here. You go talk her here.
I block her for everywhere.
You go talk her.
Who want you take off children?
My darling.
Who want you take off children?
Wait.
Make you go back your husband.
Wait.
Your husband cause.
Darling, wait. My baby. My baby. Hello, my darling. You dey hear me? You dey hear me? Okay. Your husband say make you just talk. Say sorry. He don't forgive you. Just talk now. Say sorry. That one don't reach for everything. Bam. You hear? Me, I don't hear. Say you talk her now.
Is it the hard to talk?
Hello?
Sir?
You dey hear me?
I'm hearing you, sir.
Just say, tell your oga say sorry as I did now.
Please, daddy, sorry.
Say daddy sorry.
I will not do it again. Period.
You hear?
Yes, sir.
We are talking now.
Baby, sorry. It's not happening. Yeah, I'm very sorry.
Okay, good. Always sorry.
Baby, very nice.
Always sorry. It will never happen again. It will never happen again.
My wife cannot go and be dining with my enemy in my standing.
We're sorry.
Forgive her.
I want to sorry I man here come live video. I want to sorry no egbinu la.
Are you hearing me? Are you hearing
me? Thank you. Say call I say one put you now. May call you.
Don't
call you now, Not talk to them again. I don't want hear.
Don't pray.
You hear? Okay, thank you, darling. Thank you. Because of this one, I will come from complete you.
So I said, no, baby, oh yeah.
Me go come with you. Yeah. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Take up my children,
Don't please. Don't please.
Like bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́ la ọ́ ọmọ náà mọ́ la ọ́ máa ọ̀hún yẹn wéèrè gbé dáhùn la ọ́ wò mọ́ ọ̀hún yẹn wéèrè gbé dáhùn forgive ẹ̀ máa nuya kisẹ̀ ẹ̀ la wò wọ́n ó gbàmá kòkò má yẹ mi kí a bá kára yẹn rẹ̀ àgbọ̀ gbàgbàgbà èyí àwọn àna ọ̀pá ẹ̀ bá yàtọ̀ gbígbé rẹ̀ gẹ̀rẹ́jẹ́ rẹ̀ nára gbọ̀n ẹ̀rọ mi máa ṣe kọ́ ẹ̀ 3 months 1 month ọ̀sùn àbánà sórí ọ̀nà máa ń la ọ́ láwòwò máa òkùnà mẹ́kẹ́ apá máa ń la ọ́. Thank you.
So I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Ben Majime come down. All the time, you know what I mean. Where we beg, he mastered the innocence, and even my duty is to protect my home. My duty is to protect my wife. My first priority is to protect my wife and my children. So there's no way leakage I got. That means I'm not free. I'm not free. So you only don't have boy. So in case of any women, no only more over here or out here on social media, or boom here in any major, no anybody cannot engineer my woman. Yeah, engineer again. Yeah, everybody that is suspect of what I do. Everybody will be suspect.
Can you
Everybody
hear
will be
me?
suspect.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I'm not hearing me. Everybody will be suspect. If I don't be that to tell you. I'm not hearing you. Everybody will be suspect. Everybody will be suspect.
Very next person, very beautiful woman. You know they see me.
No, Guana, I'll tell you what Guana. Sit up by my Jenna. I know. I sit up by my wife. You're a very beautiful woman. Mama, no way. Mama, no way. I'm sitting in my
sister,
mute. Few times we have been sitting in Mele Lomak Benadia. Well, how you see me? Okay, Tamia, I live for the city.
I met Papa, we are met on Prisaya. You have we are me and Va. Una me and Va.
Big man, 500. Thank you very much.
Mama, if I know myself, Mama, if I know myself, I'm what could
thank you. Like that too. You know they talk, not be just like that. No, that's why we're man.
Thank you very much. Rita, thank you. Rita, where's you?
Bye. So
anybody, if you get misunderstanding, now bring on, we beg the two sides. May they always try to resolve issue. Not be say they scatter everywhere. Back. All the social media platform, they be my family. Even though you come out here, go insult me, I don't care. You know, go see me come out again, go insult you. Because me, I don't better. God don't do my own. To become number 2 citizen for the whole Edo state, not be pushover. I be number 2 citizen. If you get any problem, if I don't feel sober, you know say yes.
If I don't forget say Okpebolo is the best governor in Edo State. Idahosa is the best deputy governor in Edo State. Now the matter with the carry waka every day. Not be true. So many people know anybody where they spoil Modi Okpebolo name. Our executive governor where ancestors become Edo State, may come balance Edo State. But more give her 8 years. That 8 years, Edo State will be one of the best states in Nigeria.
Yes.
So anybody where they spoil Okpebolo name, they don't know what they are doing. If they say Okpebolo not go school, they not get sense. Okpebolo is the best performing governor in Edo State. You know they hear me so for any of them they say that there's what wait till Okpebolo don't do for 2 years, 3 years. Obaseki not do one. Obaseki they fear to enter Benin because of the good performance what Okpebolo don't do. That